Hello, friends. Hope you have been enjoying and learning nature with me so far. Today, I've brought you the most common bird calls of Indian subcontinent that we often hear but miss their side. Along, we will also learn the type of these calls too. Kids and grown-ups busy with their daily routine will certainly make time for nature after watching this. That would heal the grown-ups and develop cognitive abilities in younger ones. So, friends, here you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Catch you soon with more interesting videos. Until then, bye bye.